In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find which devices are connected to your Microsoft Teams account. If you want to review the devices linked to your account for security, troubleshooting, or just peace of mind, this is a quick and useful thing to check. Microsoft makes this information available through your account settings, and once you know where to look, it only takes a moment. To begin, go to Microsoft Teams in your web browser. Make sure you're signed into the correct account before moving forward, especially if you use more than one Microsoft account for work, school, or personal use. Starting from the Teams homepage helps you access your account settings directly from the profile area. Once you're inside Microsoft Teams, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your avatar or profile picture. This is the menu that gives you access to account-related options. If you don't have a profile image set up, you may just see your initials instead. Either way, click that profile icon to open the menu. From the drop-down menu, click on My Microsoft Account. This will take you on from the Teams interface and into your broader Microsoft account settings. That's where Microsoft stores details related to your profile, security, subscriptions, and the devices associated with your account. After the account page opens, find and click on Devices. This section shows the devices connected to your Microsoft account, which can help you confirm which computers, phones, or other hardware are recognized under your account. Depending on your setup, you may see device names, recent activity, or other related account information. At this point, you'll be able to review the list and check whether everything looks familiar. This is especially helpful if you've signed in on multiple devices over time, or if you want to verify that an old device is still associated with your account. As a general tip, it's a good idea to check this page occasionally, especially if you've recently changed devices, signed in on a shared computer, or are monitoring account security. If something doesn't look right, you can continue reviewing your Microsoft account settings for additional security options. And that's how to find which devices are connected to your Microsoft Teams account. Once you know where the profile menu and device section are, it's a very simple process to repeat anytime you need it.